Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi for PC. To begin, you will need a functioning Wi-Fi adapter, either built into your computer or as a small external device, perhaps a USB stick. Make sure your wireless router is plugged in and actively broadcasting a network signal throughout your home or office. It is also essential to have your specific network's name and its security password ready, as you will need this information very soon. Now, let us connect to a network. On your computer, navigate to the network settings, which you can usually find by clicking the Wi-Fi icon in your system tray, often located in the bottom right corner of your screen. A list of available Wi-Fi networks will then appear. Select your specific network name from this list, then carefully input your Wi-Fi password when prompted. After a few short moments, your computer should connect and be ready to browse. If you encounter connectivity issues, do not worry. Several simple steps can help. First, try restarting both your Wi-Fi router and your personal computer. This often clears up temporary problems. Next, ensure your computer's Wi-Fi adapter drivers are current, which can prevent many common malfunctions. Lastly, consider moving your computer closer to your router if the signal seems weak, as physical distance and obstructions, like thick walls, can significantly degrade performance. To get the best out of your Wi-Fi, strategic router placement is key. Position your router in a central area of your home, ideally elevated and away from walls, allowing the signal to spread freely. Try to keep it at least several inches away from other electronics, like cordless phones or microwave ovens, which can cause significant interference. If your current router is more than 5 years old, upgrading to a modern one might dramatically improve both speed and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.